This guy over here is a rough-legged hawk. The rough-legged hawk's scientific name is Buteo lagopus. Rough-legged hawks have feathered legs and small feet perfectly suited for hunting mouse-sized prey, for staying warm in their Arctic habitat. This species lives in the open country of the Arctic and spends the winter months in northern United States hunting in farm fields, marshes, and airfields. Their diet consists of small rodents such as lemmings, voles, and squirrels. Rough-legged hawks nest on cliffs, ledges, and rocky outcrops. The nest is made of sticks and sometimes supplemented with caribou bones. They lay 1 to 5 eggs.